Good evening, everyone. Happy Thursday and welcome to my project number 2. Today I'm going to start off by showing you guys my style guide. So I'm going to start off by showing you my color scheme, which is a very neutral scheme with neutral pinks, browns, and grays, all used for very consistent purposes. The pinks and the browns will be used for the navigation bar, as you see on the side, the pink being the unselected tabs and the browns being the selected tabs. And then the neutral gray will be used for text. As you can see, I'll also be using 2 different fonts. The first font won't be used for a lot of my content. It will only be used for my logo, which will just be my name written out in very cursive, handcrafted feel. So that way they know that I built this and this is very handmade. And it will be basically used as an image because it will be used for the same things, my name and my initials, as you'll see later on. And then my content text will be for the quicksand. We'll be using quicksand, and I got this from Google Fonts. I just wanted something very simple and light to keep my portfolio very minimal. Now I'll show you my mock-ups. So this will be my About page, where you can see a first overall glimpse of who I am and what my users will see by clicking into my website. I have a very consistent color scheme with using very similar filters for my pictures, and where it says Andrea right now will actually have Andrea still, but in that handwritten font that I showed you earlier. And then the box at the top will also have that handwritten font, but just my initials. And then you'll be able to click on any picture here or click on the tab. My next page will be my About page with a very similar filtered picture as a hero image, and then 2 paragraphs saying the same thing but in 2 different languages to show off my bilingual skills. And as you can see, this will also be my initials again, My next page will be my experience page because my portfolio will be mainly used to be sent to business recruiters. I wanted it to be a very simple page where recruiters can just go see all the experience and things that I've done in one little snapshot where they're used to seeing things. It's not very embellished. And then this box over here will also be my name in that handwritten typeface font. And as you can see, this tab is brown, so that way my users know that they're on my experience page. My next page will be my portfolio page. Here's when it gets a little bit more dense because there's a lot of parts to it. But the first page will be the 4 subcategories under my portfolio, and all the boxes are the same size, so that way it kind of signifies that all of these subcategories are equally valuable to me. And so if you were to click onto one of them, for example, if you click onto events, this is what it would look like, and it would bring me to all the posts that I have under events, all having a picture with what it would maybe look like, and then the title on top of the picture, using the same filters again, and then that very collage-like layout with the bigger pictures representing my better work, and the smaller one maybe representing my less good work, I guess. And then the final part of my portfolio page will be the actual article. So again, this goes back to like the same template that I had on my About page, where I had 2 paragraphs, both in different languages, saying the same thing. Very simple, and then with my images to go along with my article. And then finally, my last page will be my contact page, and I wanted this to again remain minimal because that's the overall goal and look that I'm going for. I just want there to be some calls to action here where my users can connect with me easily, and also contact me by putting their name, their email, and a small message about what they'd like to tell me or a request from me, such as a resume. And again, just add a few pictures on the side, so that way my users never lose touch with who I am and what I look like. Those are all things that I value in my website, and so with that, I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.